How to restore Viber messages on Android. To restore Viber messages on Android, you can follow the step. First of all, open up your Viber application and ensure that you have recent Google Drive backup. If not, from this interface right here, you can just go ahead and tap on more. First tap on, and from there, head over to settings. Now from settings, you can just go over to media or storage and look for a backup. So you can just go ahead and look for backup and backup your chat from this section of your Viber right here. So once you've backed up your chat from Viber, you just need to go ahead and close your application Viber and uninstall the application. You can just go ahead and uninstall by tapping uninstall, and then you can just go ahead to your available app store, for example Play Store, and go to the search and search for Viber here, and then just go ahead and reinstall the application into your device. And then when you open the application, the Viber should automatically detect and ask you to restore your backup. So you can just go ahead and confirm that restore, and your Viber messages should be restored on your Android device. So that is it. You may also follow the same process in order to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.